Agricultural crops production students are now intensifying their training as the institutional assessment for the National Certificator NC2 approaches. In order to pass the exam, agricultural students focuses on enhancing their practical skills through land preparation, seed planting, and crop management. According to an agricultural student, Julian Carabel, her goal is to obtain the official certificate from TESDA that will secure her future.
Kumbaga, pwede na kami mag-apply sa ibang trabaho po. Tapos tatanggapin na lang po kami kasi meron po kami ng certificate na yun.
Meanwhile, technical and vocational education teacher Julius Tobiera says that he's willing to guide them all throughout their training.
Kapag may time kami, pwede akong magbigay ng additional institutional assessment para sa kanila to enhance more yung training nila.
Carabel also expresses how she's proud of being a CRAPI student as their products contribute to the school's success.
Dahil po sa agriculture crop production sa major namin, may mga napaprocess po kaming yung foods po namin na pinaprocess po nila, and actually nagagamit din po yung mapananim namin sa contest. Example na po yun ng Festival of Talents.
Aside from being mentally prepared, Carabel also urges his students to uphold the discipline that was shaped in their training. This is Cassandra Javier, your fearless newsliner.